In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create double opt-in form in Brevo. Double opt-in is a simple but important feature because it confirms that subscribers truly want to receive your messages. It helps improve list quality and can reduce the number of unwanted signups. First, navigate to Marketing Forms. Take a moment to look at the main menu or dashboard area and find the section labeled for Marketing Forms. This is where all form types live, including sign-up forms you will use to collect subscriber information. Once you open Marketing Forms, you are ready to start building your new form. Next, click Create Sign-up Form. This option tells Brevo that you are making a form specifically designed for collecting new subscribers. After you click it, you should see the form builder begin to load, along with options for embedding and settings. If the page asks you to choose a template or form type, make sure you are selecting a sign-up style form so the workflow matches what we need for double opt-in. Now click Full Embed and select your form name. This step matters because it connects the form you are building to the embed method you will use on your website. Look for the area that mentions Full Embed, then choose the correct form name in the selector. If you see multiple forms in the dropdown, choose the one you are currently creating or the one you just set up. After that, use the drag and drop editor to add and arrange your fields. This is where you decide what information your subscribers will enter. In the editor, you can drag fields into the form layout, and you can also reorder them so the form looks clean and follows a logical flow. As you add fields, think about the essentials you actually need for your signup. Keep the layout consistent and easy to fill out. When you are happy with the fields and their order, you are ready to connect the form settings to double opt-in. Then, click your list. This step tells Brevo which audience or mailing list the new subscribers should be added to after they complete the sign-up process. Make sure you select the correct list because double opt-in will be applied to that list's confirmation step. If you manage multiple lists, take care to pick the one that matches the content subscribers will expect to receive. Next, in the settings step, select double opt-in confirmation. This is the key configuration that enforces the confirmation process. By selecting double opt-in confirmation, subscribers will not be considered fully registered until they confirm through the email they receive. This helps ensure consent is explicit. After you select it, look for any additional confirmation options that might appear, but the main action is choosing double opt-in confirmation in the settings area. After you enable double opt-in, choose or create your confirmation email template. The confirmation email is the message subscribers receive after they submit the form. You can either select an existing template or create a new one, depending on what your workspace offers. If you choose an existing template, review it briefly to ensure it fits your brand and clearly explains what the subscriber should do next. If you create a new template, make sure it communicates the confirmation request in a straightforward way. Now click Create or Save. This confirms your settings and stores the form and email configuration. Take a moment to ensure there are no warnings or missing fields before you proceed. Saving also ensures that any embedded link or code you copy later will reflect the latest changes. Finally, copy the provided link or embed code for your website. This is the part where you make the form visible to visitors. In the embed section, you will typically see options to copy a link or copy embed code. Choose whichever method fits your website setup. If you have a simple placement method, the link may be enough. If you want the form to display directly on a page, use the embed code. Once you copy it, you can paste it into the appropriate area of your website builder or page editor. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.